Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're doing a quick tutorial on how to achieve the perfect buzz cut, whether you're looking to perfect your skills or trying it out for the first time. This short tutorial will help you with all the tips and tricks you need. So grab your clippers and let's get started. The first step I'm doing today is running a number 2 guard all the way around the head, vigorously going over it, making sure there's no little hair standing up. Once we've trimmed everything back to an even length on the sides and the top, we're going to go in with our skin trimmers, creating a nice even shape from below the occipital bone, curving it up and around to below the C cup. Once it's all trimmed down, I go in with talcum powder and then my foils, making sure everything's nice and crispy. After it's all been foiled out, I'm going to open my clipper with no guard on, opening it up all the way, about an inch, giving myself heaps of room, and then I'm going to go in with the 1.5 open, and then I'm going to eventually close the 1.5 and working into my 1 guard. Once we've opened and closed the 1, we're going to work straight into the 0.5 guard, doing the exact same thing, making sure we're always opening the clipper first and then closing the clipper, and then we'll do the exact same thing with no guard on at all. You can see that the fade's coming together. I do like to spend a lot of time working on this bottom line, really flicking out my clipper and using the corner of the blade. Now before the fade's finished, I like to just go over everything one more time, working in an ascending or descending fashion, making sure we go over all our work. Now I asked my model what he wanted to do, and he did want to line up his hairline, and as you can see I just lined it up very naturally. Don't want to push him back at all. The next thing I like to do on all my lineups is just go over it with my white pencil. It just makes everything pop. I make sure to brush it off before I razor it, and it makes it look real natural and gives it that extra oomph. A lot of barbers don't like to use any enhancements at all, and that's completely fine, but I really do like it myself, and I think that the customers notice the extra attention to detail, and I truly do think little details like this can help you stand out from the rest. And that's the final result. I hope you guys liked this little tutorial. If you have any other questions or want to know anything about how I achieve this style, please let me know in the comments below.